I bet they don't know you each got a tattoo. Seriously. This day happens once. In a blink it will pass. Let's look back now to all you accomplished in class. Most of you started in Phys 101 when elliptical orbit sent you round the sun. For the very same reason you're stuck to the ground, it's gravity, yes. Now you know it's profound. You learned E&M first in Phys 102, when Gaussian spheres made your nightmares come true. You learned about Maxwell, who said, light's a wave, how electromagnetic fluctuations behave. I told you, Keith, you'd be sorry. You took 201, and it's then you discovered the physicist's world is a world like no other. The world very fast and the world very small obeys different rules than the world slow and tall. Michelson morally discovered the need to explain the ubiquity of light wave speed. In Einstein's world, space-time united shall live. Don't ask where or when. It is all relative. Quantum mechanics, a wondrous world. The world of the atom was slowly unfurled. Gold foil bombarded with alphas galore. Some alphas bounce back just like balls off the floor. A wave-like description of matter explains a remarkable fact that still boggles our brains. Electrons in motion, divided, can pass through two slits and combine at the ends of their paths. Then back to the classics in Phys 208. Lagrangian mechanics got Newton's law straight. Electronics, a painful but practical course, where circuits became the topic of discourse. More quantum mechanics, stat mech, E&M. There is nothing more interesting than them. Of course, all the while you took GERs. History taught you of worlds near and far. For GER 6, now what were you to do? Theater or dance? A guitar class or two? Should you take economics for GER 3? Should you take intro bio or psychology? You picked your own classes and followed your hearts. It's the essence of broad-minded liberal arts. There were no wrong choices, a lesson you've learned. Every fork in the road, opportunity earned. You've done serious research on neutrino mass. For polarized targets, you've busted your butt. Mode-locked diode lasers with spectra unique, and multiplexing at JLab for Q week. Ultra-cold atoms and sheets of graphene. The number of nights you stayed up is obscene. Of funny new particles dreamed Lee and Wick. ADS QCD just made one of you sick. And where are the grad students hiding today? Good morning. For years you have been locked away. I'm serious. Most of you haven't been seen. I hope that the sunlight won't turn your skin green. You have learned many lessons, some easy, some not. The wisdom will serve you in ways quite a lot. You have learned how to think like a scientist thinks. You put bias aside until error bars shrink. When your electronics experiment died because the old field effect transistor fried, what did you do? Did you just let it go? Of course not. You fixed it. You made current flow. When 3 tough exams all took place in one day, it seemed all was lost, but it turned out okay. And when your assignments kept you up all night, your hard work paid off, and it turned out all right. Challenges mounted, your projects came due, but wouldn't you know it, through all you came through. Your wave function collapsed. Your success has been measured. It's moments like these that you'll look back and treasure. On this day, you know exactly where you stand, so you must be uncertain.